Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can export all photos, videos, or media from your Google Photos account or repository to your device. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm logged in on my PC on my web browser. However, the same principle applies for mobile phones, so just follow my instructions and everything should be perfectly clear to you guys. Now, to actually export these photos, the first thing you want to do, of course, is to select the photos which you want to export. Now, you can select all of them, which I will be doing. You can do it either manually by clicking on the photos and just manually, of course, downloading them and exporting them to your device, or you can just select the photos you want and export them in bulk. And the fastest method is here right next to the date. Just click the check mark and every photo from that date will be selected, as you can see here. The ones that have only one will have only that photo be able to be selected, so you don't have a check mark next to the date, so don't worry about it. But yeah, once you select all of them, the process is, as I've said, the same for both mobile phones and for PC. So what you want to do once you've selected all of them, and yeah, the way you select them in mobile phones is just holding the picture down with your finger until it becomes selected, pretty much the same as any other gallery application. And yeah, once you select them, what you want to do is find the download button on the PC, which is here in the three dots and the first one that pops up. You can also click Shift D as a shortcut on your keyboard, and that will download them as well. And the button you want to look for on mobile is just the Save to Device button. And that's how you export your media. I hope you enjoyed. I'll be seeing you in another video.